Billy Morgan is a British snowboarder who proved that determination and hard work can turn failure into victory. His story is a true inspiration for anyone facing tough times. Billy didn't start snowboarding as a child. In fact, he was a gymnast first. He used to flip and jump as a young boy in Southampton, England. Later, he discovered snowboarding and quickly fell in love with the sport. But the road to success wasn't easy. Snowboarding is a dangerous sport, and Billy suffered many injuries. One of the worst came in 2014, just before the Winter Olympics in Sochi, Russia. He tore his ACL, a serious knee injury. Most athletes would take a long break or even quit, but not Billy. He pushed through the pain, trained hard, and still made it to the Olympics. He didn't win a medal, but he proved his strength and courage just by showing up. After that, Billy faced more injuries and tough times. He had to rest and recover again, missing out on competitions and feeling like his career might be over. But he didn't give up. He believed in himself and kept training slowly, step by step. Then came the moment that changed everything. In 2016, Billy made history. He became the first person in the world to land a quad cork 1800, a move that involves 4 flips and 5 spins in the air. It was something no one had ever done before. The world watched in amazement as Billy flew through the air and landed perfectly. But that was not all. In 2018, at the Winter Olympics in PyeongChang, South Korea, Billy won a bronze medal in the big air event. It was Great Britain's first ever Olympic medal in the snowboarding event. After all the injuries, doubts, and pain, Billy had bounced back and became a national hero. Billy Morgan's story teaches us that success doesn't come easy. You may fall, you may get hurt, and things might not go as planned. But if you keep trying, keep believing, and never give up, you can achieve something truly great. Billy didn't just win a medal, he won hearts. And he showed the world what it means to be a real champion.